In this video from Currency Systems, we're taking a look at the Laurel X8 currency sorting machine. The X8 has 3 standard modes of operation. If we press mode, you have count, value and sort. In the count mode, which is the most basic way of using the machine, the X8 will act purely as a piece counter. So you put on a load of notes at the top and it will count them all for you, nice and simple. You then have the value mode. So if we now place on a mixture of 20s, 10s and 5s, so the machine has basically counted all the notes. It's not done any sorting for you. It's saying 128 notes counted, total value 1600, and if you press the screen it then gives you a breakdown by denomination, so you know exactly the value and the amount of each note counted. The final mode, if we press the mode, is sort. So if we give these notes a bit of a shuffle round, mix them all up. So we're using this mode because we want to sort out the notes and want them in a specific order. We now pop them on the top of the hopper. It basically takes the first note it counted and off sorts everything else. So all the £20 notes have appeared at the bottom, so we've got 37 at a value of 740, and then if we go into the reject pile we should have all 10s and 20s in here. So again, if we now wanted to count the £10 only, you would simply place them on the top, so all the £10 notes are counted and sorted to the bottom of the machine, and the £5 have been off sorted. Last function of the X8 I'd like to show you today is facing and orientation. So I've got a pile of £10 notes here that are all facing different ways, upside down, the Queen's head's in a different place on loads of them. So we want those all organised so they're all facing and orientated the same way round. You simply press face on here, pop your notes in the top. That's got them all in 2 separate piles, so you simply pop it back on, press orientation first, and if we grab our 2 piles out, we'll see that every single note has the Queen's head facing towards us on the right hand side. These are just a fraction of the features of the X8. It does so much more than I couldn't show in a short video. For more information on it, check out currencysystems.co.uk, and for the latest news on note counters, cash handling, coin sorters and retail security products, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.